I bought some shirts off Tik Tok Shop that are gonna make me look jack AF. Well, according to this one really aggressive TikToker. Let's see if it works. Hey, it's Nick, and I'm here for another Fat Guy review. I found a guy on TikTok that was very aggressive with his selling point, but that these shirts that he found were gonna make me look jack AF. I mean, he was built well, and like the shirt did make him, in fact, look jacked. So I bought 5 because I was like, that's a miracle. I also would like to look jacked. Let me see what I can do, and if it works, like I don't want to have to wait for the other 4 because then I have to wear the same shirt for 9 days. He says they're compression shirts, but I've tried on compression shirts on this channel, and they are different kind of compression shirts. So these are, I think, and maybe there's a gym term for it, but these are 100% polyester shirts. They feel, you know, shiny and like jersey-ish, like breathable. So if you really want like go jogging, this is the shirt that you would wear. I've never been a fan of these shirts because they show all the different things that I don't want people to see. I'm trying to hide those in my shirts, and so this usually highlights them. So I'm already not feeling good about this, but maybe they are, you know, hugging the right places, because again, in the very aggressive man's TikTok video, it was like tight in all the right places, and he looked like built and stuff like that, but he did look like he worked out. He didn't say they were for fat guys, but he gave the impression that it was gonna like make me look a little bit like it would hide a little bit of the things, but he may have been talking about someone that only had like 5 pounds to lose, as opposed to hiding this all from everyone always. But let's try the shirt on and see if it makes me look thinner. My first initial thoughts after putting the shirt on are get it off me. It is not comfortable at all. It feels like 100% polyester. I thought that there would be some kind of stretch to it. There's really no give. It doesn't really hug on the arms as much as it looked like it's loose. It's like a t-shirt, like only it's uncomfortable, and it hugs me in all the wrong places. If anything, I look fatter with the shirt on. In fact, I might be more comfortable walking around topless than with this shirt, because it's like now I look like the guy that doesn't know he's fat. Like, at least when I'm walking around with my shirt off, I'm like, oh, that guy knows he's fat, right? This one, they're like, does that guy think he's jacked AF because he's just fat? And so I don't want people to think that, so I'd rather walk around with no shirt on. Maybe it's the color. Maybe let's try. There's 5 of them. There's got to be one in there. They might be cut differently. Let's try the black one on. Okay, no, I got the black one on, and you know what? Yeah, it doesn't do anything different. It feels exactly the same. It's gross, only now in black. And by the way, I hate this collar. I don't know what it is. Like it feels like it's not collaring. There's nothing. I don't know. Maybe this is what you wear when you go jogging, but I am far from jogging, although I probably should. And maybe one day I'll fit into these shirts and I'll be like, man, I'm glad I spent $3 on those shirts so that I can now run and feel confident and jacked. But I won't be wearing these anytime soon. If you see the very aggressive TikTok man and he says that this will make you look better, he means that if you're already jacked and you're not highlighting the things that you're jacked about, then this shirt may or may not. I still don't think it would. Even if I was jacked, I don't think this would help. This is just a $3 gross uncomfortable shirt. But it's not meant to be like, oh, hide the bad areas, accent the good areas. The hell was that? It's more like, oh, if you want to show off what you already got, this will do that for you. But I am not that guy. So maybe I misinterpreted the branding or the message. But please don't buy these if you're chubby and you think they're gonna make you look good.